In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the time zone in Google Calendar quickly and correctly so your events, meetings, and reminders all show up in the right time. This is really useful if you've traveled, changed locations, work with people in different countries, or just noticed that your calendar times are not matching your local time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into the main Google Calendar settings page where you can adjust different preferences for your calendar. On the left-hand side, look under the General section and click Time Zone. This is where Google Calendar lets you control the time zone settings for your account. Once you're inside the time zone settings, you'll see an option called Primary Time Zone. Click the drop-down menu next to it. A list of time zones will appear, so scroll through and select the one that matches your current location or the time zone you want your calendar to use. After you choose the correct time zone, Google Calendar saves the change automatically, so you don't need to click a separate save button. That means your calendar should now start using the new time zone for your events and scheduling. If you regularly travel or coordinate with clients in different regions, it's a good idea to double check this setting anytime your schedule starts looking off. And that's it. You've now set the time zone in Google Calendar. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide.